Now you'll be ecstatic to learn that there are 4 incredible applications you can use to collect a whopping 200 points every 30 minutes, so I guess I already jumped the gun there. I'm excited to show you guys this method because it's stunning. I'm not going to lie, it's probably one of the best methods I've ever seen in the many years that I've spent on the internet. Let me assure you that this is all going to be so simple. All you need is your device, which can be as large as your computer or as small as your mobile phone. So, select whatever is most convenient for you. Not only that, but it also caters to everyone on the earth, regardless of where they are on the 7 continents. To top it off, this approach is completely free. Above all, the nicest part about this strategy is that it's completely accessible even to beginners like you who are just getting started in the money-making field. I'm telling you that you can accomplish this in one sitting and that you don't need any prior expertise or technical knowledge to make it work, so watch until the end of this video. Now let's get back to the video, so without further ado, let's jump right into app number 1, cashkarma.io. As soon as you type that into your browser search bar, you'll be redirected to their official website, which you can see right here. With this platform, you can earn rewards by completing surveys and more. This is the only rewards app that allows you to earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. So what does that mean? It means that there are a variety of ways to make money with Cash Karma. You're never limited to doing surveys, so this is essentially perfect for anyone in the world with a wide range of skills, interests, and hobbies. There's something about Cash Karma that I like, and you can see it right here where it states you can get 300 points as soon as you install the app. There's nothing I like more than getting free money without having to do anything, and Cash Karma can deliver that. Now, scroll down to view the Cash Karma reward system, where you can exchange your points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. PayPal is one of the greatest platforms for digital banking because of its simplicity and ease of use, and Amazon is the world's biggest platform for online shopping. Therefore, these two are very essential in claiming your rewards. You may choose to have actual money or gift cards, which will greatly assist you in your online shopping. Take notice that they will be adding a lot more gift cards to their app very soon, so stay tuned for that. You may improve your earnings by purchasing bonuses in addition to doing surveys or other tasks on Cash Karma. You can gain extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. You may do this if you complete 5 offers, view 25 videos, or gain 8,000 points or more. When you reach these milestones, Cash Karma will reimburse you for the effort you've done, which I think is cool. Moving on to the second app I want to show you, it's called getpaidto.com, and it works similarly to the first app, Cash Karma. However, with GetPaidto, you have more options since you can earn GPT points for performing basic tasks like completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. It all works in 3 simple steps. I want you to scroll down a little bit so you can see what you need to do to make this work. Step 1, do tasks. Your tasks may include things like filling out surveys, watching videos, playing games, and much more, similar to what I described just a few seconds ago. Step 2, earn points. For every 5,000 points you earn, you can calculate a dollar amount that corresponds to that number of points. This is where you can be rewarded for allocating time to work with getpaidto.com as you complete surveys, play games, and so on. Keep in mind that 5,000 points are a fairly simple feat to achieve. You would assume that just because it's in the thousands, it's difficult to attain, but luckily for you, that's not the case since you can pull this entire thing off in as little as 1, 2, 3, and you won't even break a sweat doing it, so it's all done in one fell swoop. Step 3, get paid. You may redeem your points for cash, gift cards, and a variety of other options. Many options are freely provided to you so that you can choose what is best for you. If you explore the page, you can discover some of the things that you may complete here. You can find online games like Knife Smash, Candy Mahjong, Delicious Shuffle, and more. You can go with Say So, and many other research panels for surveys, and you can also see what you can do with offer walls with these diverse offers that you can pursue to earn GPT points and further increase your earnings by a long shot. There's OfferToro, Agem, Lootably, and many more with this wide array of methods that you can pursue. I guess it's safe to say that this platform has it all. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, we are now going on to the third website for today's video, at wallet.com. With the previous 2 websites, you completed surveys, played games, and completed simple tasks. You've undoubtedly noticed that this next platform provides a different approach for you to make money while maintaining the same level of efficiency, speed, and simplicity. You can make real money from your favorite brands with wallet, and the process is simple. As you can see, there are 3 simple steps. Step 1, watch a video and receive a text when it's time to log in and watch a short video. This platform focuses on your preferences and activities, providing you with the greatest content to help you feel at ease. Step 2. Get paid for the videos you just watched. In your head, earning a minimum of $0.50 up to $5 per video interaction might not sound like a lot, but in all honesty, that's way more than you need. Imagine earning that amount of money multiple times in a single day because the possibilities with AdWallet are endless. As more and more videos are updated daily, this is simply magnificent. Step 3. Make more money by earning an extra $1 for each person you suggest, as well as downloading offers from brands you love. Feel free to browse the entire page for all the information you need. Everything is already well presented here, so feel free to browse the page further. Now for the fourth and last app in the video. I believe this to be the cherry on top, but it does have one drawback. It is only accessible for Android devices. Don't worry, Apple users, this software will be readily available for you soon after Apple releases an update. You never know when it will happen, so be ready. This website is called moneysmsapp.com, and it is quite fantastic. Imagine making a ton of money simply by leaving your phone aside and allowing your system to get automated messages. That is something genuinely spectacular, and with this app right here you can make that happen. Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to earn money online by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. The reason you're getting paid is that many telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. You are paid because they use your phone number to conduct such testing services. Nevertheless, they will never have access to your data or other text messages. They are restricted to all of the data on your device and are only focused on the text that they have delivered themselves. With a strategy as simple as that, this is a chance you should never pass up. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.